I'm leaving tomorrow morning.
You are?
Yeah. Hi guys. So I'm trying out a new foundation today. I have to go grab it and show you guys. I was finally able to find the new Maybelline foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. It's supposed to be a 24-hour wear foundation. I tried it on for the first time today. I'm liking how it looks. At first, like when I was applying it, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it. I will talk more about it because I want to do a full review for you guys and obviously keep trying it out and see how it wears a few times and how it wears throughout the day. But the color matches perfectly. The color that I grabbed is 312 and it's golden. It's just golden. And then I'm also trying a new Maybelline lipstick, which I gotta show you guys also. I think I threw it in my bag, yeah. So this is one of the new Maybelline lip colors. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink. And now they came out with some pretty, I need some light. They came out with some pretty nude colors because before they had like super vibrant and bold colors like hot pink and orange and red. But now they have some nude colors. So I only grabbed one to see how I would like it. And this is the number 65 Seductress, and so far I really like the color, but again I'll let you guys know later on today like how it wears, but so far I really like it. It's sunny. Actually, I wish it was sunnier. Like I wish it was actually hot sunny. Today is the coldest day ever. It is like, oh, it's 16 degrees now. It was 14 degrees this morning and I can't handle this type of weather. It's terrifying, honestly. I want to go see my god babies. I have their Christmas gifts that I want to go take them, so that's where we're gonna go. I also really want to buy this book, but I think I might download it on my phone and just read it on my phone because I'm gonna go get my hair done. That's right, I'm gonna go get my hair done, guys. I'm literally doing all of my favorite things to do back home. I got my lash extensions done last night. I don't know if you guys could see it. Okay, I'll show you guys when I have shade. I'm gonna get new tape-ins and then tomorrow I'm gonna get my brows done, so I'm gonna be feeling brand new. Cry, it's so cold. Oh my god, it should be against the law to be outside when it's this cold. Max is dying to go out with me. It's too cold for you to go out, honey. It's too cold. Oh my god, you're so cute. He's like extra cold. He was shivering yesterday. I felt so bad and I don't have any sweaters for him here. I think I'm gonna go buy him a little sweater today because I feel really bad. It's so cold in my house. I mean, it's so cold outside. It was 13 degrees last night. Like that's unacceptable. That's painfully cold. Who is texting me? I'm actually gonna head to the mall right now. Hopefully it's not too crazy. I mean, it's only 11 o'clock in the morning, but again, it's still like holiday season. I hope it's not too crazy. I'm gonna get my brows done. I didn't fill them in because I'm gonna get them done finally. It's been like over a month. Has it? It's been like a month. What am I? No, you know what? It's been over a month actually. I'm gonna get that done. And then I'm gonna just look around, see if I find anything. I believe the Zara sale is still going on or just started, I don't know, but I'm excited. I actually got this coat that I'm wearing from Zara last year on sale, like super cheap. I think I paid like $40 and it's amazing quality. And I forgot I had it and my friend last night was scolding me that my camel coat wasn't warm enough. And she was like, why don't you wear the black one? I'm like, I don't have a black coat. And she's like, yes you do, you got it at the Zara sale. Like how she remembers that and I don't know, but I'm so grateful to you, Alva. Thank you for calling me out and telling me that I do have a black coat and I found it right away. And then my camel coat is also from Zara, but that one I got like 2 years ago. But honestly, I feel like Zara comes out with very similar coats every year because I've seen I see a lot of the same styles every year. So if you want to get a coat similar to the ones that I've been wearing, or you just want a good coat period for a decent price, I would say check out Zara, because again, amazing quality and pretty decent prices. You just have to look, especially right now throughout the sale. So I'm gonna head out before it gets any crazier, and hopefully I get a good deal. My hair is so staticky, and I have this product from Garnier. It's literally called like anti-frizz, I think. I don't know, it's a spray, but it's meant for staticky hair, like when your hair gets staticky. This always happens to me in the winter, especially when I throw a hat on, but it's like so staticky, and I keep even shocking Max when I touch him and everything. So I'm gonna try. I forgot the spray at home because I didn't think I was gonna need it, but I'm gonna see if I go to a store and they have it. I'm just gonna spray my hair. Guys, I'm reunited with Nadia. We're together again. This feels right. Feels very right. We're at the Zara sale, and Nadia's having more luck than me. Yeah. We're kind of disappointed though, right?
Yeah, there's Zara.
Sorry. We're not really finding much. I found, you know what, I'll show you guys later, but I found a hat and jeans, that's about it.
For lunch, my mom gave it to me. It's not my money.
What'd you do? Did you hang out with Catherine?
I just watched some movies with her.
What'd you see?
Pitch Perfect 3.
Was it funny?
Yeah.
Those movies are funny. I took you to see the last one, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I took Alicia and then Alicia wanted to see the third one with me, but she's in Italy, so.
Wait, I took you and Alicia?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember that. I remember taking you.
And you took me and Alicia.
Oh, we could have done that again, the three of us. And I would have remembered this time. I'm leaving tomorrow morning.
You are?
Yeah.
I thought you were staying for New Year's.
I was, but I didn't know Chris had to work. So I thought he was gonna come back this weekend also, so I'm gonna go back so he doesn't spend it alone either. So it's our last day together. But I'm coming back next month. I'm coming back in 3 weeks.
It's a long time.
It won't be too bad. You'll be busy with school, and I'll come back like on a weekend, so we have a couple days together. I'm probably gonna stay till like 4 or 5 days. Okay?
Tomorrow?
Sí, señorita. It's okay.
Why so early?
I've been here a week. I gotta get back anyways. I have work to
do it here.
I don't have my stuff here that I need. Alright guys, we are heading back to Maryland. It's snowing. Maxie and I are trying to get out of here before it gets really bad, and like always, I just want to get this ride over with. It is not fun, especially with this needy little boy right here, but I'll see you guys back in Maryland. Bye.